Imagine browsing a website where everything feels tailored just for you. Sounds incredible, right? That's the magic of cookies. They personalize your content and ads, making your online experience unique. When you visit our site, we gather information on your preferences. This data helps us serve you the most relevant ads and content. Moreover, we provide insights to our social media and advertising partners. They use this information to enhance your experience even further. Why do cookies stand out? They ensure you see what truly matters, cutting through the noise. No more irrelevant ads or content. Ready to enjoy a personalized online experience? Dive in and feel the difference cookies can make. Don't wait, start exploring today.